Are you looking for the best garage storage systems to maximize your space? In this video we will look at some of the best garage storage systems to maximize your space on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Amazon Basics Adjustable Storage Shelves. Looking for a storage system that won't cost more than the items you're actually storing? Consider the budget-friendly Amazon Basics 4-shelf adjustable heavy-duty wide storage shelf. If you have a long wall, you can purchase a few of these shelves and slide them next to each other for a wall full of storage opportunities. They also work great in the basement, closet, and pantry or anywhere else that you want to create quick and easy storage. The shelves are sturdy enough on their own, but you can always add shelf liners to create a flatter surface to prevent smaller or odd-shaped items from falling in between the wiring. You might be looking to organize your tools and other equipment in your garage, but you won't need any of them to assemble this shelving unit. These shelves are made from durable alloy steel and feature adjustable feet to ensure that your garage storage system stays firmly in place. Each shelf, which you can adjust the height of in 1-inch increments, holds 350 pounds, so you can store plenty, including heavy equipment and tools. For extra support, you can attach the shelf to studs in your wall. If you don't secure it to the wall, be sure to put heavier items on the bottom to avoid tipping. Product details, dimensions: 14 by 54 by 36 inches, mounting type, floored material, alloy steel, weight capacity, 1,400 pounds. At number 2. Ulti Garage Cabinet Kit. You might have to shell out for the Ulti 8-piece garage cabinet kit, but we think it's worth it for turning your garage into a modern multipurpose space. The cabinet kit earned a spot on our list because it offers ample storage for tools, accessories, sports equipment, and more. Made from moisture-resistant engineered wood, the system should fare better in the garage than pure wood cabinets, which can get damaged by humidity. The set includes tall 2-door cabinets on each side and wall cabinets at the top. The modular design can be arranged in multiple layouts. The cabinet doors and drawers have locks to keep your items safe. Inside, the cabinets have 1-inch shelves that hold up to 200 pounds. The set features a solid bamboo worktop for extra storage space or a place to work on DIY projects. Keep in mind that even though it's supposed to be easily installed, the size and heavy weight of the individual pieces mean you might need more than one set of hands to set it up or move it around. Product details, dimensions: 21 by 141 by 82 inches, mounting type, walled material, engineered wood, weight capacity, 200 pounds. At number 3. Goplus Garage Cabinets and Storage System. Pegboards are essential to keep tools and other supplies visible. We recommend the Goplus Garage Cabinets and Storage System because it has a massive pegboard, plus other clever storage components to organize your hardware. It has 6 pegboards located on the worktop and behind the shelves. Altogether, the pegboards have an 800-pound weight capacity and span 52 by 17 inches, which is adequate space for an entire tool collection. It also features metal freestanding and wall cabinets, adjustable shelves, and a rolling tool chest that can be conveniently moved around. The cabinets and drawers are lockable to keep items secure. We also appreciate that the tool chest drawers have an inner lining to protect tools from getting scratched and stop them from sliding around. Keep in mind that although pegboard hooks aren't included, you can buy 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch pegboard hooks separately. Product details, dimensions: 81.5 by 18.5 by 76 inches, mounting type, floor material, metal, rubber wood, weight capacity, 800 pounds. At number 4. WEN Workbench. The WEN 48-inch workbench with power outlets and light is a good choice for DIY enthusiasts. It comes with drawers and upper and lower storage shelves, plus a pegboard for you to hang up supplies and tools. The tabletop is 25 by 48 inches long and has a 220-pound capacity, so it can support heavier items. The total weight capacity is 514 pounds. We like that it comes with an overhead fluorescent light, which makes it easier to see while you're working. There are 3 power outlets for charging tools or your devices. You get additional storage with the bottom shelf, which is ideal for holding heavy equipment up to 200 pounds. While there are picks that provide more storage, it's still appealing for anyone looking for an all-in-one storage system. Product details, dimensions, 61.75 by 25 by 47.38 inches, mounting type, freestanding material, steel weight capacity, 514 pounds. At number 5. Fleximounts Overhead Garage Storage Rack. If you're running out of room in your garage, parking your car in the driveway or at the curb might seem inevitable. But there's one garage organizing trick that can help you double your storage space: overhead storage. The Fleximounts Classic Overhead Garage Storage Rack holds your belongings close to the ceiling, leaving you plenty of room on the floor for your car and other storage. The 4x8 foot size holds up to 600 pounds and can be adjusted in height to accommodate bulkier items or to allow for taller vehicles to share the space. While other overhead storage options have separate wire and frame grids, the Fleximounts system features an integrated wire grid that makes it safer and more stable. Overhead garage storage is also a smart way to avoid water damage from flooding or infiltration by roaches, rodents, and other ground-dwelling pests. It's also a great option for storing seasonal items that you don't need often but don't want to relegate to the space in your closets or basement. Everything you need to install this overhead garage storage system is included in the box, but you'll likely want some help so that you can attach it safely to your ceiling. Product details, dimensions, 96 by 48 by 40 inches, mounting type, ceiling material, powder-coated metal, weight capacity, 600 pounds. At number 6. Mythinglogic Garage Storage System. The Mythinglogic Garage Storage System is the solution you need to corral every last ball, bat, or hockey stick. It features roomy bins for lacrosse sticks, bats, golf bags, and other taller equipment. It also includes shelves to store other athletic gear like balls, gloves, helmets, and other miscellaneous items. It's constructed of a sturdy coated steel frame with elastic straps, so you'll be able to keep it neat and tidy season after season. Plus, the storage system has wheels, so you can move your storage wherever you need it to be. Make sure to put the heaviest equipment on the bottom in order to move it easily. While the system is useful for the garage, it can also be used as indoor storage for basements, playrooms, home gyms, and any other active spaces that need to be kept orderly. Because of its ease of installation and versatility, this is the best option for sports equipment. Product details, dimensions, 36.05 by 16.54 by 42.71 inches, mounting type, floor, with wheels, material, steel weight capacity, not listed.